Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I've been developing the client management system for our clinic. And then on the left-hand side is the kind of back-end of FluentForm, and the right-hand side is the front-end form. My client asked me to record, keep track of the application submission date. So whoever sent application, it shows that when they submit it. So in this case, it is January 7th, 2026. So that's today's date. So I just filled out the form here, and then let's hit the submit. Oh, I got the name here. Let's see. Okay, and then let's hit submit here. And it should keep track when this one was submitted. So let's go to a backend here, and let's go to contact. So this is the one. And if you scroll down, yeah, so application submit date. So 2026, January 7th, which is so January 7th. All right, so let me show you how you can do this. All right. So first you go to settings here. And here you can add a custom contact field. Okay. And then so if you just hit add new field, and then in my case, it is the date. And the label is application submission date. Okay. And then you can just put the group here. All right. So I've already done it. So I'm not going to add that. So it is, I think it's on the bottom here. So I already done this. Okay. And the next step is you have to map the field. All right. So let's go back to a dashboard. Oh, sorry, dashboard here. And then I got to go to a forms. So this referral form here. So I'm going to settings and go to integration, configure integration. So this is integrated with FluentCRM. So go to edit here. And if you scroll, so I mapped a lot of things here. All right, so that's application date. So now you see, because I have created a custom field here, so it is just you pick this, and then this shortcode. Now there's a bunch of that. I think you gotta scroll down to find. I think it's really on the bottom here. Submissions. Here you go. So you see submission created date. Submission create date. It's on the very bottom here, the second bottom actually. So you just pick that again. So I already did that. So I'm going to delete this and then go up and hit with the save here and probably the bottom here. Yeah, save feed. And that's it. And then you can kind of, keep track when the form was submitted on the CRM section here. All right, so I hope this helps. See you next time.